Welcome to Epping Forest, home to the ancient forest by the same name. The district of Epping Forest is thriving with opportunities and experiences for its young people. From retail therapy at the new Epping Forest shopping park to adrenaline-fueled fun at the nuclear high ropes, and to the open spaces of Lee Valley Regional Park for cycling, walking and exploring. With rural villages such as Hyonga, Greenstead and Thaden Boyce, surrounded by an expanse of fields and countryside, life here can feel peaceful and it is part of the district's beauty. With its blend of outdoors and urban vitality, Epping Forest also presents an abundance of opportunities for its young people. As a close neighbour to London and with fast access through public transport. Within the district, our young people have a choice of diverse towns like Epping, Loughton and Chigwell to enjoy with friends. But for some of these young people, we know that in today's society there can be challenges. Through the VVU's listening project, we spoke to Epping Forest young people and they said they worry that social media is normalising drug and gang culture. So what else did our young people tell us? Well, they love where they live, and while they genuinely feel safe, they would like to see more trusted adults such as street pastors and police officers on their streets. For the VVU, this is just the beginning of how we support Epping Forest. We research, pore over testimonies, evidence, data, then collaborate with partner organisations and local community groups to help support these developments. Our priority is to strengthen local groups and initiatives. Spark offers an array of counselling and mentoring services tailored for children, young individuals and their families.
We were seeing a steady increase from when I first started, say 15 years ago, but since COVID, so since 2020, referrals have rocketed. Youth work is about providing that trusted space with a consistent adult.
So the funding from the VVU has meant we've been able to gain more volunteers, and that has ultimately meant that our waiting list has been cut down a lot shorter. Young people are the future. They are here today and they will continue to grow and become members of our society. And we're a very small team here at Spark, but we're all super dedicated and really feel fortunate to be here together providing the service to the local community.
A vital support network we're helping fund is the Team Around the Family Support Officers, or TAFSO. The TAFSO offers coaching, modelling and training support to individual practitioners such as teachers and health workers to gain the skills they need to offer tailored support to the families they work with.
We know that when we see needs arise, it can really impact their outcomes as adults. So I think this work is massively important in terms of helping them reach their potential. I think without the funding from the VVU, we wouldn't be able to have the posts that we have now, including myself. So specifically, we work in risk in the community and recognising some of those behaviours early on. And I think that's probably the key of our work, that opportunity and allowing them a safe space to kind of share their views. I don't think a lot of the time we appreciate as adults how daunting it can be for a young person to kind of say how they feel and be honest. So if we could, just allow them that space and security and a trusted adult, that would be great. If every young person could have a trusted adult, we win.
All these initiatives have played a part in fostering a resilient, strong support network across the district, reinforcing the strong community bond. In the past year, the VVU has reached more than 48,000 children and young people across Essex. Since 2019, we've invested more than £7 million in community support and interventions. Key programmes include the Reroute programme, helping those arrested for violence or drug possession, and the Listening Project, which has had direct conversations with more than 1,500 young people to improve their safety and tackle youth violence. Last year, an incredible £1.6 million was directed towards targeted interventions based on these conversations. And we will continue to listen to the aspirations and ambitions of the young people in Epping Forest, working with communities to support these dreams and help these ambitions and aspirations be achieved.